Regular use of ReadToMe in your class will help your students read and understand better. This will improve their confidence and help them speak fluently in English. ReadToMe uses your existing English textbook and the classes are conducted in your regular English periods. For ReadToMe to be really effective, remember to conduct at least 3 classes a week for each class and section. What are the steps to conduct an English class with ReadToMe? What is the lesson plan you should follow? That is what I would like to show you in the next few minutes. There are 3 parts to a ReadToMe class. Number 1 is setting up the class. Number 2 is reading. And number 3 is vocabulary and comprehension. To set up the ReadToMe class, you will need to open the lesson you're going to teach your students. Then, choose the reading speed in the reading option button. Enable the magnifier tool and finally choose your language for translation. Now, let us talk about how to conduct the class. The first part of the class is reading. We recommend you take a short paragraph or just a couple of lines at a time. Ask students to first listen and then read after using ReadToMe. Let's take a look as to how I do this in my class.
The magic garden was in a school playground. The magic garden was in a school playground.
Magic garden was in a school playground.
As you saw, the students first listened to the software read the paragraph. Then they all read the same paragraph, repeating every word after the voice. Finally, they read the text aloud on their own with the volume turned off. After reading, we now move on to the next part of the lesson plan, which is comprehension and vocabulary. ReadToMe has many tools that can help students understand what they are reading. These include the dictionary, the picture dictionary, and the translate tool. ReadToMe also has tools for spelling and pronunciation practice. As the students read, identify the words that they may find new or difficult. Use the tools on ReadToMe to help students learn the meaning of each word. I often ask my students to use new words to make their own sentences. Let us take a look at how I can do this in my classroom. Let us find the meaning of the word garden. Now, let us look at the picture of the word garden.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of this word in Hindi?
Okay, let's find out. Now, who wants to make a sentence with the word garden?
My school has a big garden.
Very good. That's excellent. Now, let's practice the spelling of the word garden.
Garden. Garden.
So let's all learn the pronunciation of the word garden today. Should we try?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Garden.
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 Okay, boys, can you try?
Garden.
Once again, boys.
Garden.
Girls, do you want to try?
Garden.
Once again.
Garden.
Okay, row 2.
Garden.
Okay, row 1.
Garden.
Okay, whole class.
Garden.
One last time.
Garden.
Very good. So, this was a quick view of how a Read to Me class can be planned and conducted. Do remember to conduct at least 3 classes a week using Read to Me. Go paragraph by paragraph and encourage your students to read aloud, understand, and practice all new and difficult words. Thank you.